Hello students, in the last video we have discussed exercise 2.1 problems of 6th class, that is whole numbers. Now let us see exercise 2.2 problems. Okay, the first sum is find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Okay, so what is this rearrangement is, out of the given three numbers, okay, out of the three given numbers, select a pair such that it will give a sum as tens in the last place, that is 837. Okay, if I am taking this 7 and then 3 here, 7 plus 3 will become 10. So I am taking those two as one pair. Plus 208. Okay, I am arranging the terms. Okay, this term and this term together and this as it is. Okay, this is what arrangement is. So that if I arrange like this, I will be getting 7 plus 3 will become 10. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, plus 208. Okay, so 8 plus 0 will become 8, 0, 0. Okay, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So therefore, after rearrangement, the answer is 1408. Okay, now let us see the second bit of this. 1962 plus 453 plus 1538 plus 647. So in that, see here, I am taking this 647 and this 453 together because their sum is 10. And similarly, 1962 plus 1538. Here also in the ones place, I am getting the sum as 10. So I am taking them as 1962 plus 1538 as one pair plus 453 plus 647. Okay, now let us take this sum, that is 1962 and 1538, right? 10, 10, 9, 10, 15, 3500. When I add those two, I am getting it as 3500 plus these two, 647 plus 453. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 11. Okay. So now 0 at 0, 0. 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 1 is 4. So therefore the answer is 4600. The second problem, that is find the product by suitable rearrangement. So in the previous sum, we have seen the sum by using the suitable rearrangement. Now we will find the product. Okay. So what to do is, consider these two, right? That is 2 into 50 into 1768. Okay. So this will become 5 2s is 10. 100 into 1768. This two will become 1768. 2 zeros will be added. So it will become 1,76,800. Okay. So this is how we will arrange the term so that the multiplication will become simpler and easier. Okay. Now here I cannot take this 166 into 4 because it will not give me any zeros. So what I will do, I will consider 4 and 25, that is 25 into 4 and the left out term as it is into 166. So 25 into 4 is 100, 100 into 1666, right? So then what you'll get, 16600, that is 16,600. Similarly, the third one, 8 into 125. I am writing those together because that sum will give, the product will give me something in terms of zeros. Okay, I think this will give you a 0 as 1000. Okay, let us check. 125 into 8. 8 5 is 40. 8 to 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 8 ones 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 1000 into 291, it will become 291. These 3 zeros will be added at the end. So 2,91,000 is the answer. Now the next bit is 625 into 279 into 16. So what you can do is, you can take this to as 625 into 16 into 279. So if these two I have to multiply, 625 into 16, 6 5 is 30, 6 2 is 12, 13 14 15, 6 6 36 plus 1 37. Now 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 6 is 6. So it will become 0 0 10. 10,000 into 279. So it will become 27940. 1 2 3 4. So this will become 27,90,000. Okay. Now the next one is 285 into 5 into 60. So what we can do is 285 into 5 into 60. Okay, 60 into 50, what you will get? 285 into 6 5 is 30, 300. Okay, so then we have 285 into 3, 3 5 is 15, 8 3 is 24, 25, 3 2 is 6, 7 8. Okay, 85500, 85,500. Okay, the next one is 125 into 8, we will take one pair, as well as 140 into 25. So 125 into 8 into 40 into 25. Okay, this will become 1000, and this one also will become 1000. So therefore it will become 3 4 5 6. So it will become 10 lakhs. Now the third question, find the value of the following, that is 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So they are like the properties, right, which you can write as, so in the both of the terms I can take this 297 common, then I can write it as 297 into, I have 17 here and plus 3 here. Okay, so it will become 297 into 17 plus 3 is 20, right? So 297 into 2 is how much? Okay, 594. As we have one more zero added to that, it will become 5,940. Now the second one, you have 54,279. Here also you have 54,279. So which you can write common, that is 54,279 into 92 plus 8. Okay, then it will become what? 54,279 into, these two will become 100. Okay, then I can just add the zeros at the end, right? Then it will become 54279, 2 zeros added, then it will become 54 lakhs 27,900. Now the next bit, that is 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So I have, this is common, so I'll take this as common. 81,265 I take common, I have 169 minus 69. So it will become 81,265 into 100. It will become 81,265,000. So it will become 81 lakhs 26,500. Okay, next one, 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus this 769 as it is, and I'm splitting this 25 as 5 into 5 into 218. Okay, clear? Now what else we can do here? 3845 into 5 into 782 plus, if I multiply these two, how much I'll get? 769 into 5. 9 5 is 45, 6 5 is 30, 34, 7 5 is 35, 36 is 38. So 38 45 into 5 into 218. So now I have common. Okay, I am writing them as 3845 into 5. I take common, I have 782 plus 218. Okay, now multiply these two again into 5. You do 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, 22, 8 5 is 40, 42, 5 3 is 15, 16 17 18 19. So 19,225, and if I add these two, 2 plus 8 is 10, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So I'll get 19,22530. That will become 1,92,25,000 is the value. The next problem 4, that is find the product using suitable properties. So here we have to use the properties and we have to solve the problem. So first one is 738 into 103. So what you can do here, 738 into this 103 can be split as 100 plus 3. Okay, so what I can write here, A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Okay, what is this property called? Distributive property over addition. Okay, so now you can write it as what now? 738 into 100 plus 738 into 3. So this will become easy, right? 73800 plus, if you multiply these two, how much you'll get? 738 into 3. 8 3s 24, 3 3s is 9, 9 plus 2 11, 7 3s 21, 22. So 2214. Okay, now 73,800 plus 2214. 4 1 10, 3 plus 3 is 6, 76,014. Okay, this is how we are using the property and we are solving the sum. Okay, now the second one is 854 into 102. You can write it as 854 into 100 plus 2. Okay, again you same property, distributive property, that is 854 into 100 plus 854 into 2. Okay, so this will become 854, 2 zeros will be added to this, plus if you multiply this, what you'll get? 854 into 2. 4 2s is 8, 2 5s is 10, 8 2 16 plus 1 17. So 1708. Now add these two, it will become 85400 1708. It will become 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 0 is 0, 7 plus 4 is 11, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 8. So it is, the answer is 87,108. Okay, the next one is 258 into, you can split this as 1000 plus 8. Then it will become 258 into 1000 plus 258 into 8. Okay, then it will become 258. These 3 zeros will be added up, plus if you multiply this, 258 into 8, 8 8 is 64, 8 5 is 40 plus 6 46, 8 to the 16, 16 plus 4 20, 2064. So now add 2 5 8 1 2 3 zeros, 4, 6, 0, 10, 6, 2. Now it will become 2, 6, 0, 0, 6, 4. 2,60,064. Again, here also we are using what property? Distributive property over addition. Now the last one, that is 1005 plus into 168. So 1005 you can split it as 1000 plus 5 into 168. So 1000 into 168 plus 5 into 168. So it will become 168 3 zeros plus, you can multiply this, 8 5s is 40, 6 5s is 30, 34, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8, 840. Okay, now add this, 168,000 plus 840. So 1,68,840. The next problem, that is fifth problem, that is a taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. Okay, on Monday he filled it with 40 liters of petrol. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol, and if the cost of the petrol is 44 rupees per liter, then how much did he spend in all on petrol? So what we'll do first what we'll write is petrol filled on Monday. This is 40 liters. Okay, and petrol filled on the next day. Petrol filled on the next day, 50 liters. Total petrol filled is 50 plus 40 will become 90 liters. Okay, and cost of 1 liter of petrol, $44. Okay, so what you'll get now, 90 into 44. Okay, this is nothing but 90 I can write as 100 minus 10 into 44. So then it will become same again distributive property, 100 into 44 minus 44 into 10. Okay, this will become 4,400 minus 440. Then if you subtract this, how much you'll get? 4,400 minus 440. 0, 10 minus 4 is 6. Then 3 minus 4, 13, 3 minus 4 is not possible. We are borrowing. So it will become 13 minus 4, which is equals to 9. So this has become 3. So 3,960. So therefore, total amount spent on petrol is 3,960 rupees. Problem, that is, a vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 15 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Okay, so what we can write is supply of milk to a hotel in the morning. Supply of milk in the morning, okay, which is equals to 32 liters. Okay, supply of milk in the evening is supply of milk in the evening, which is nothing but how much? 68 liters. Okay, now total supply will be what? Total supply is addition of these two, that is 68 plus 32 will give you 100. So in a day, how many liters is taking? 100 liters. Okay, cost is how much? Cost per liter is rupees 15. So for 100 liters, how much? For 100 liters, it will be 100 into 15. Therefore 1500 rupees. Okay, so therefore how much money is due to the vendor per day? Therefore 1500 is due. Rupees is due to the vendor per day. Now the last problem of this exercise, that is match the following. So first one is 425 into 136 is equals to 425 into 6 plus 30 plus 100. So here we can see that this 136 has been splitted into 6 plus 30 plus 100. So again a multiplication outside. So this is very clearly like a distributive property. Okay, the second one is 2 into 48 into 50 is equals to 2 into 50 into 48. Both are same, but only the thing is terms are interchanged. So and multiplication is there in between. So it will become commutativity under multiplication. So I can clearly write it as A. And the next one is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equals to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here also we can see that addition symbol is there between the terms, as well as the terms are just interchanging. So this is commutativity under addition. And the first one will be obviously the third one, that is distributivity multiplication under addition.